I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to reach out to support on TaskRabbit, follow these simple steps to get the help you need. Step 1. Open the TaskRabbit app. Launch the TaskRabbit app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to the Help section. Once you're in the app, tap on the menu icon 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner. From there, select the Help option to find support resources. Step 3. Choose your issue. In the Help section, browse through the list of common issues or type your question in the search bar. This will help you find relevant articles or contact options. Step 4. Contact support. If you can't find a solution, scroll down to the bottom of the Help page and select Contact Support. You'll see options to chat or email support directly. Step 5. Provide details. When you contact support, be sure to include as much detail as possible about your issue. This helps them assist you more effectively. For example, mention the specific task or transaction ID if applicable. Reaching out to support can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Don't hesitate to ask for help when you need it.